is Waffle Time. Camping Waffle Time tent and chair combo. Sweet looking 6-man tent there. 1 through 25 is the list. Let's get a winner. Good luck. 1 through 25. It's 8:05. We got some proof from Adam. If you could read that. And one more. Random. Secured and valid. All set. Ready to go. Good luck. It's 1 through 25. Tent and chair. Camping combo. Boom. Sweet 13 is set up for the summer. Campgrounds beware. Lucky number 13. Coming. Winner. 806. 13. DR. Dane Rasmussen. Congrats with the win. Nice hit. Have a great night, everybody. It is 8:07.